So Martin already told you guys that we aren't going to be going with the big brake kit. We've been looking at the best stock caliper brake setups that won't break the bank instead of just going with Brembo kit or Accabono.
Accabono you, Martin.
What are you even doing, Eden?
Fool. Really fool. Look at all that I did in the garage. Look.
Are you really gonna question this fool after you painted the whole garage?
It's not an actual kit, it's just different things I put together.
Budget we mean as in not going to big brake kit.
Yeah,
we mean like the best stopping power with your stock calipers.
We got a boost.
Got a boost. For the people that don't know, that's the reason he's not going with a big brake kit right now. Is you want to go with the Turb skis on the G skis.
Like that. So I did get Hawk HPS brake pads all around. Gotta keep it the same, you know.
Why would you go different?
People are weird.
And he did go with some Z1 rotors. These are Z1 branded, right?
Yeah, Z1 slotted rotors. These things are heavy.
We haven't really told them our take on slotted and drilled rotors in a while, so for everyone new, we rather have slotted than slotted and drilled. If you really drive your car hard and you daily it, the holes inside will tend to crack and just cause issues, unless they're really well built. But normally, performance cars, when they take it to the track, it's one-day use. They slap them on and then they replace them because it gets so hot.
I'd rather just get
And this one, it does wear the pads faster, but it will cut them evenly.
I think it was Shelby. He had slotted and rotor.
Yeah, and they cracked.
And yeah, he cracked. He actually posted it on his story, I think.
But he does drift, so I give him that. Off topic, but remember when I told you guys I wanted to paint the walls like a light gray? I painted the walls like a light gray. Oh, and it looks pretty good. But look at these though. Garbage. Look.
I've said it before. About 3 hard stops, they stop working.
Damn, your car actually looks like a race car on jack stands.
Hey, you're misbehaving.
Who's misbehaving here?
Him. I get misbehaved all the time.
You deserve it.
He deserves it.
You misbehave a lot.
Here, I need to get lost. Watch out.
No, seriously.
Alright, video time. Let's go. When they're misbehaved,
Me and Jeremiah are partners. We get this side, you guys get that side.
We are going to be using the Icon half-inch torque wrench.
what?
That's
I'm
crazy.
down. Let's go. Let's try it.
Not yet. We're not going to use it to remove it.
Woo! You know what's better than Makita? The wall and everything else.
Tell him something. He's misbehaving already.
You can't give a monkey a wrench.
You're pretty ugly.
He do look like a monkey.
You need to shave,
Are
Martin.
you misbehaving? I'll misbehave all 3 of you at the same time.
I got Coke in my hand.
Oh my god, they're so heavy.
They're both heavy. These are actually heavier. These are carbon brake pads. And then these are probably semi-metallic, huh? You can tell they look lazy as hell though.
Is that why they don't work?
Yeah.
Hey, Martin. I think you need brakes, buddy.
Think so?
Yeah. Well, we can resurface them if you want to.
Alright, returning those.
Brakes are on and looking pretty good. We're gonna be putting the wheels back on and taking it for a drive, and I do want to break them in. There is instructions on how to break these in. Everyone will tell you something a little bit different. Normally for us, me and Jeremiah at Toyota, and Lexus, what we do is we do 40 to 20, 60 to 20, and we just keep slowing down. Not hard, but kind of slow. You just hear the brakes all loud.
Fuck yeah.
Feels good?
Fuck yeah.
Let me see.
Right.
I'll go break them in. They're gonna smell. Yeah, that should be fine. So it's making a weird noise. I think the backing plate is hitting. Because it's like a skidding noise. Normally that's what a backing plate does. Hear that? Yeah. But it brakes good, so you know it's obviously nothing to do with really the brakes. Hey!
You stalled it.
Ah, fuck me.
You stalled it. And it is running weird.
It is?
Yeah.
Less force applied, and you can notice a better stopping.
I feel like you're gonna notice it because of the different material.
Hang on to the camera.
Oh shit. Oh
Goodness.
fuck.
Oh fuck! Did you feel that?
Yeah, I was like, I had my feet on here, so like
I
it
didn't
was
even step on it
probably.
all the way.
stamped,
40.
dude, he stamped too quick, bro.
I know.
That's just
I thought it was gonna go right next to you, but
that was a pretty big fail. I was trying to show you guys like him stop right by the camera, but brakes were too good, I guess. I remember with his old brake pads, they were like horrible. It would not stop at all.
and by then or by now, the brakes would be too high. It wouldn't slow down at all.
Like you would give them like 3 tries and they're done. That's normally how it is with.
But these so far, we stopped pretty hard.
We've been stopping a lot actually, on and off camera. We're back at the house and we still have one more thing to do today. We have to bring in Eden's car because we are installing, I believe, a Valenti, I think that's how you say, third brake light, which is on the diffuser. So we're gonna have to wire that up real quick, and it's gonna be pretty simple, but we'll show you guys how it looks compared to the stock one, and pretty much that's it. I'm exhausted. We only did brakes, but it's just been a long day. This right here is what we're going to be replacing. This is the Valenti one or Valenti style?
I don't know. The kid told me it was a Valenti. I
Lie to
know.
you, bro. Okay. So this is the old one. It kind of looks sick, dude. I'm not gonna lie. What's that guy?
Oh shit.
There's a rock in there. I feel like it matches your taillights. The little indents where it has the little bulbs.
Where'd you put the?
It looks just like that. So we have the reverse lights working, and all I did was I was double checking by actually straight plugging in the wires that were color matched to the bulb.
Oh really?
Yeah, I just plugged them straight in. It's just so I know if I cut them, I could wire them together. So that's the reverse. I just spliced the 2 wires together for the reverse light and taped it up just so it's clean, kind of looks like factory. I can still tape up all of this going to this rubber piece, but we want to transfer it all the way through the trunk because we have the reverse light working, but we need to figure out, I believe, it's where the tail lights are to get that daytime running light or whatever Eden wants to call it on. Okay, so check this out. We got that one working because we're just testing them out. We watched the video because this has no instructions. We connected it to that little connector before we actually splice, and then we set up this ground and then obviously taped it all up so it's clean. So we have that ground right there, and right now it is working. Obviously this is not working because we're using that. Everything's gonna be cut. We're just trying to tape everything so no water gets in it and it doesn't disconnect, but we have everything taped up pretty well. But we're just gonna finish splicing everything in since we already know what 2 wires. It's gonna be the green and the red one for the tail lights.
Okay, so all the wiring's done. It probably took 45 minutes of wiring just because we wrapped everything really good. But as you see, that's the running light. That's the brake light. Go do reverse. That's reverse. Turn off all the other lights though. Yeah, like that. And then try hazards. Is the hazard gonna work? Oh no, so there's no hazard on this one. It's just those 2 triangles are the brake.
We have it for the most part tucked. We ran out of black tape, so we have it tucked right here. We still have the factory connectors that obviously hold the wires. I was looking at some Night Runner flags. I want to hang one right there. I'll probably order it tomorrow. We're gonna paint this black so it kind of looks sick, either hanging down, but I'm getting the landscape writing one, so it could probably hang that way. And then these black, that black, maybe the doors black, I don't know yet. And we're gonna get little black light switches. So we're still trying to figure everything out. Probably go right now to like Home Depot and try to get some more stuff and probably buy the paint and stuff. I still don't know what we're gonna do. I was digging through the comments trying to respond to everyone. There's like one guy that commented and he's like, stop trying to fix up your mom's house. I'm 19. I feel like a lot of people forget that. I may look older, act kind of childish, but I'm 19 years old, still a little baby, and still going to school, still in college, dude, probably still gonna be in college for a couple more years, just starting my life. So I kind of want to make this my home because me and my dad both are into cars. I don't show him much, literally we probably had 1 clip of him, and everything that I do here, we'll probably move it into the shop when we get it. So all the flags and everything, I kind of want to have like a gray, black, and white theme and just kind of have it really sick. When we do get a shop, I want to have literally all black toolboxes, and honestly I'll probably just buy like 6 of these and just have them stacked up across. And there's some that look identical to this but stack up higher, so I'll probably do that too. But on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you guys next one. on the next one.